What color's your new dress? It's green. Come upstairs and see it. Thank you. Look, here it is. That's nice, Jess. It's very smart. My hat's new too. What colors is it? It is the same colors. It is green too. That is a lovely hat.
What color's your new dress? It's green. Come upstairs and see it. Thank you. Look, here it is. That's a nice dress. It's very smart. My hat's new too. What color is it? It's the same color. It's green too. That is a lovely hat.
Smart, that's smart. Like same.
What color's your new dress? It's green. Come upstairs and see. Thank you. Look, here it is. This is a nice dress. It's very smart. My hat's new too. What color is it? It's same color. It's green too. That is a lovely hat.
Alımız is white color.
Is the alum bag is white color?
Is Ali's handbag white?
Is alımız bag white color?
Is Alim's handbag white?
Is Alim's handbag white? Is Alim's handbag white? Yani asıl cümlemde Alim's handbag is white de. White is'in aldığı çıkarırsanlar. Is Alim's handbag white? İşte sanılan burada. Is Alim's handbag white? Yani Alim'nin kol çomkisi ne mu? Ak ranglik mu? Ak ranglik mu? Alim'nin degenini fakat Alim'nin keyini bir peş koyup aslını koyuversek ne buldu? Şu adamның bulduğu, adamdan bildiğin çağda isimler. Yak almışlar. Alim'nin degeni Alim isteydi. Kaç onu tuqam sanım buldu.
Is this your daughter's house?
Is this your daughter's house?
Is your daughter's house?
Your is son's nice.
Your son is nice.
Your son's is nice.
Are your son's nice?
Are your sons is nice?
Are your sons is nice?
You are sons is nice.
Your sons are nice. Sons.
Sons.
Yani isimlerin köplükini okuş kaydısını vertip edim bu. San nim bilan ahırlaşıptı, n bilan ahırlaşıptı. O xil şaraitda bunun köplüğini degen çağda ninde paltoq, yani z dep telaffuz qildik. Unda olsa sanga z'ni qo'shsak sons. Sons. Sonni z dep asan xato oldu. Yani ez qo'shib olmaysizlar. Z bilan qo'shsizlar. Sanga bevosita z'ni qo'shsanglar sons. Sons. Ani sel so'zi versanlar qizlanmayli chiqadi. Sons.
Are you students?
Are you students?
Are you students?
Are you students? Students.
Are you students?
Are you students? Qaranglar, ismlarning ko'pligini yasagandan keyin o'qish qoidasi men dedim. studentqa ya'ni student bilan oxirlashqachqa buni s deb o'qiymiz shunaqa o'qigan chaqda. Studentqa s-ni qo'shsanglar students bo'lib qolmaydi. Students. Students. Hargiz students emas, students ya i'ni qo'shib olsang bo'lmaydi. Studentqa b vasita, studentqa b vasita c qo'shilib students deb bilindi. Buni students desanglar xato bo'ldi. Nimishqa t bilan hozir c ning orasida bir e paydo bo'lib qoldi. Lekin e yo'q-da u yerda.
How are you, daughters?
How are you, daughters?
How are you, daughters?
How are you, daughters? Daughters.
How are you, daughters?
Your daughters are fine. Are you daughters fine? How are you, daughters?
Sizga yo'llagan 5 tovushlan ma 5 tovushni yoki iz deb chiqardik. Qolgan hamma tovush nimalarni z deb chiqdi. Undan so'ng daughter, asliki daughter eng oxirisi nimlar oxirlashyapti, so'zuq tovushlar bilan oxirlashyapti. Shunaqa, undan so'ng 10 tovushning ishida yo'q-ki, undan z deb talaffuz qilganman. Daughterga zni qo'shsam daughters, daughters. Yani qizlar degan gap bo'ldi. Qizlarimdagi, qizlaringizdagi qizlar degan gap bo'ldi. Daughters. Daughters. Chiqadi.
Your daughters are nice. Are fine. Are your daughters fine? How are your daughters?
Your daughters are fine. Are your daughters fine? How are your daughters?
That she's house blue. That hair's house blue.
Here, house is blue.
Here houses blue.
Her. O qizning deganni ingliz tilida her deymiz, Her.
Here houses is blue.
Here houses blue. Here houses is blue.
Here houses are blue.
Here's houses are blue.
Here house is are blue.
Here emas bolla. Qa her emas, her. Her elqizin chaqan chaqda her qildigandiki hargiz ear emas. Here emas, her.
Her house are blue.
Qizning deganni deymiz her. Uy deganni to house. House nimlar oxirlashib qolganda s bilan. 5 tovushning ichida boti, ya'ni s bilan oxirlashgan ismlarni ko'plikka almashtirib aralandirgandan keyin esni qo'shadi. Ko'plikka aylantirgandan keyin house'ga esni qo'shsak houses. Undan so'ng her houses are blue. U qizning uylari ko'k ranglikkan. Zulfira houses. Yani house, yani isim, uy degan gap. Yani bu eng oxirgi tovushi s bilan oxirlashib qoldi. Bu ilqi ko'plikka almashtirgandan keyin, yani as qo'shgandan keyin buni as qo'shdik ekanmiz-ku. Qo'shgandan keyin is degan talaffuz bilan chiqaradigan ismdi. House'ga isni qo'shsangiz houses, houses.